Guys, welcome to What is Tether? Tether is digital money for a digital age, global, fast, and secure. Guys, we're going to be going over what is Tether today in this video. Many people have been asking me about what this cryptocurrency is and how it relates to the other cryptocurrencies. So let's get into it. There's a thing called Tether Gold out there too. It's backed by physical gold, just to let you know. We've combined the best of both worlds, getting the joint benefit of open blockchain technology and traditional currencies. Tether is a stable currency. Tether converts cash into digital currency to anchor or tether the value of the price of national currencies like the US dollar, the euro, and the offshore Chinese yuan, and it is 100% backed. Every tether is always 100% backed by our reserves, which includes traditional currency and cash equivalents, and from time to time may include other assets and receivables from loans made by Tether to third parties, which may include affiliated entities. Every tether is also one-to-one pegged to the dollar. So one United States dollar tether is always valued to one US dollar. So one tether will always equal $1. Transparent. Tether's transparent. The value of our reserve is published daily. The value of our reserve matches or exceeds the value of all tethers in circulation. Tether has a blockchain. The Tether platform is built on top of open blockchain technology, leveraging the security and transparency that they provide. Tether is widespread and integrated. Tether is the most widely integrated digital to fiat currency today. Buy, sell, and use Tether at Bitfinance and other major exchanges and service providers. Secure. Tether's blockchain enables technology, delivers world-class security while meeting international compliance standards and regulations. Guys, this right here is Tether. What do you all think about that? Guys, leave me a comment below, like, subscribe. Money built for the internet. Whatever you can do with digital currency, you can now do with digital cash. Okay, they're going to have like a thing for blockchain companies. This is for them. For blockchain companies, Tether offers their service in a variety of digital currencies. Price goods and services in a currency your customers are familiar with. Reduce operating costs and time by bypassing financial institutions. Okay, for exchanges, this is what Tether do for exchanges. Use Tether as an alternative to traditional currency deposits and withdrawal methods. Secure and manage customers' assets purely through crypto process, including multi-sig. That's going to be multi-signatures. Settle fiat base between exchanges much easier and in real time. Okay, for the individual traders seamlessly move currency between exchanges and wallets, enhance your cross-exchange and currency arbitrage strategy, be the custodial of your own funds, and eliminate exchange custodial risk. Guys, what do you think about Tether? Leave me a comment. Let me know. Do you use Tether? Have you used it? Let me know the good, the bad, and the ugly. And I'm just kind of breaking this down, letting you guys know that this is what Tether is. Let me know what your personal experiences are. All right, guys. Talk to you later.